Hope you have a great weekend. I'm here for another reading test, drag and drop for actual example. Okay, let's go down. As you know, it's what was our method for this text. So we need to do the pair of all of the option, pair from the from in terms of structure, grammar. It might even you are not able to find, so let them alone. Okay, for the option in here, outcomes, we have outcomes and output, the pair, observed and inspected. Two of them is past participle, and another one is variations and varieties. Okay, varieties means kinds of things. It's a very different, okay, similar, but both of them is a noun. Okay, and measurement is alone. Okay, it's not important for us. And we had the 1 2 3 no 3 4 blank. Okay, let's go to this to do this. Okay, the sun produces a primary of energy driving Earth's climate system, but it's after it we need the noun. Okay, we had the outcome, output, no, it's varieties and variations. Okay, which one is the varieties? After varieties we need the of. Okay, we had the of, after that no. Okay, so it's for its variation is our answer. Okay, I taken some notes for variation and varieties. Variation is a change or difference in something. Okay, use it when talking about the process or degree of something. But variations, varieties, it's about different types or kinds of some things. And behavior, after varieties we need the of. Variety of something, variety of some details. And okay, let's go to the second the second blank. Its variations have played very little role in the climate changes. Okay, changes what? Have played very changes. We need the changes. Okay, blank. In recent decades. Okay, I wanted to say something. If we had the one blank in here and some explain about this blank in after that, or something explanation here, it's belong to the blank. I think it's after this we need the, if we had this situation in here, we need to the ed, like here, observed or inspected, because it's a sort of play a adjective roles for in recent decades. Observe in recent. Okay, climate changes is not expected. It's for you going to the browsing or expected or exploring something, but observe in recent decades. Okay, climate change observed in recent decades. Direct satellite blank since the late 1970s. Okay, direct satellite show no net increase. No net increase in here. Okay, with what no net increase? Measurement no not increase in here. We had the three for measurements, and in the sun's what? Sun's output, outcome. What was that? Okay, outcomes, while at the same time global surface temperatures have increased. Sun's output, not outcome. Okay, measurement, not measurement, outcome or input. Okay, we need a for output. Okay, let's go to the next one. 455 drag and drop. Exiting snacks are a small group of. Okay, at the first time we need to going to the make two options, our options and make the pair by pair. Okay, Taste and diet, whole and part, and we have saliva and treatment. Yes, saliva and treatment. And out, open. Out, it's a prepositions. Open is the verb where we need to leave them alone. Yes, leave them alone because we couldn't they didn't match together. It's better we put them alone. Okay. And so when how many blankets we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go. Eating snacks means snacks which eating egg, or a small groups of snack whose after whose we need one noun. Whose blah blah consists only of whose diet. Okay. Whose diet, whose plus noun. Whose diet, I think it's a one. Whose diet consists only of eggs, consists of, be careful, consists of some, okay, which they have to swollen whole, not part, okay, because it's a preposition, it's very common in the English. It's swollen, not part, whole, as the snack has no teeth. And so some other snacks eat bigger eggs, but it requires special. Okay, after this the adjective. Okay, adjective. After adjective, we need the noun. Treatments. Okay, this gone. Okay, we had the treatment, only treatment or slides. You know, the saliva is means saliva means the liquid that is produced naturally in your mouth. Saliva, it's the liquid produced in your mouth, produced in your mouth. Okay, it requires special treatment. So the third one is special. These snacks have spines. Okay, spines means one flower has the spines and you can't easily touch it. That stick is a verb, and we need a preposition in here. Stick out. The preposition, because we need a stick, it's a phrasal verb. Stick out means stick means something you notice because part of it's out. You know, stick out. It's you clearly notice something. Because part of it, it's out, comes out, stick out. Okay, from the bones, stick out from the bones. The spines crack the egg, okay, blah blah, as it passes through the throat, and eggs and open it, passes through the throat, open. You know, because we choose the open because it's all of them to finish and we had to just open. Okay, open the eggs during it passes through the throat. Okay, going to another one. Okay, 452. Sorry.